Count of measles cases. Ontario, Canada having a problem, one that New York State is aware of and warning about. Here's 7 News reporter Thomas Caffarella.
Measles, only a car ride away. A recent message from state officials advising New Yorkers to be vaccinated before making a trip north. Across the border in Ontario, measles cases are up, with 804 cases so far in 2025, compared to 101 cases documented in a decade, between 2013 and 2023. It's highly contagious and can lead to other health issues later on in life. In some cases, it can be deadly. The latest exposure this week in the Kingston and Belleville areas with at least 2 confirmed cases.
If someone came into a store and then you came, an hour and a half later, you might still get measles and you've never seen the person with measles because it lives in the air for up to 2 hours.
Medical officials attribute recent global outbreaks to vaccine hesitancy and misinformation. Lustig says 2 doses of the vaccine give a person 97% immunity from the disease.
So the less people are vaccinated, you're not going to have as much herd immunity. And it's spreading, obviously, in these communities that don't vaccinate.
U.S. cases are rising, but numbers now aren't close to what was seen before. The vaccine was developed in 1963. In the decade before, the CDC says nearly all children had the virus by age 15, and 400 to 500 people died each year from it. Clarkson history professor Stephen Casper says dwindling media coverage over the years in St. Lawrence County paints a picture of the vaccine's success.
I just can't insist enough on the importance of remembering the history here. And if you think about that picture of a tiny little county in upstate New York, and you realize that that was the way the entire United States would look, you have a picture of what we succeeded at getting rid of.
Public health officials in Canton say learn more about your vaccination status by contacting your healthcare provider. And remember, symptoms include a rash, cough, fever, or runny nose. Thomas Caffarella, 7 News.